Now here's a tip for you. Yes, everything's about a tip. Let me see if I can find it. This is like if you're going to use a tube of caulking. Let's say you're going to use the mastic. And let's say you've got an area that's kind of thick and you would like to flatten it out. Well, you could use a cheapo putty knife like that. Then know that you're going to have mastic all over it. Or you can take your tin snips, and because you always have a piece of flashing, galvanized flashing laying around, you can cut a strip off of here, let's say, as wide as this, or a little bit wider, like for here. I could cut that strip off, and I can just hold that in my hand very carefully or with gloves and use that as my putty knife. If it was too flexible, I could make it a little bit longer, fold it in half, make it a little bit stiff. Put my mastic on this way, and I could use my flashing and wipe it off if I don't want to get it off of a putty knife like this, okay? But if you do use a putty knife, let's say you're using a 1 gallon container of roof patch material, wet dry patch, okay? I would say use a putty knife. This one's probably a 2-inch. Let's see what that is. Yep, that's a 2-inch. Or you could get a 3-inch. You get just a cheap one at the store. This one's a little bit expensive. It's a hide, or no, it's Red Devil. It's got a metal tip on there on the end, so you can bang on it, and it's pretty stiff. And that's kind of how I like my putty knives. But you can get a cheap one, a little steel metal one that gets all rusty. This one's quite old. It's probably 10 years old or something. And you can use that to dig it out of the can that way, put it all on, and then to wipe it off. You know what you can use to wipe it off with? Where is it? I might as well show you that. It's quite amazing. In fact, do I need to show you, put some on? Let's put some on a putty knife, shall we? Let's say you got that on there. You've tried to wipe that off, okay? You just take some WD-40 on there, and you can wipe it on a rag. And this cleans your hands off good too. Oh, geez. I haven't used this for a while. Oh, look at that. It's not coming out. It's halfway full. I haven't used this container for quite some time. I guess you can't do it that way, can you? Well, the idea is to spray some WD-40 on there, and it will come right off. Now, see, I got just a little bit of WD-40 on there. Just enough, and it comes off. You get that on your hands too. You take WD-40, spray it on there, rub your hands, and away you go, okay? Remember that. Hey, every time I think of a tip I want to share, I'm going to get my camera out and show it. I already put my camera away, and I did that before I did the WD-40 cleaning one, and I put it away, and I thought, oh man, there's one more thing I want to show. So I got the camera out, and here it is. If you got mastic, and if you're working up on a roof, okay, be careful and check your shoes before you come inside the house. You can walk that around, and you can pretty much have a big, huge problem on your hands if you got a little bit of mastic you stepped on and you bring it into the house, boom, 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 especially if you got off-white carpets or something like that. I had a guy one time, he had to go up on the roof. I'm not quite sure, it was in a commercial building. He stepped on some mastic, and then he traipsed it all through the tenant space. I was just getting ready to hand it over for the tenant to move in, and lo and behold, I had hot tar, not hot tar, but just mastic tar all over the place, and it was a real pain to get it off. I finally got it off with some, what did I end up using? I think gas lighter fluid, propane lighter fluid, you know, for charcoals. That seems to work pretty good sometimes, but don't take my word for that. That's what I happen to use, and it worked good enough because the carpet was kind of off darkish anyways, but I was really stressing there for a minute, okay? So if there's nothing else you learned, hopefully you learned that. That's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.